Coda Tutorial Full Guide to Organize, Automate, and Track Projects. Hey guys, welcome to Coda Tutorial, in which I will be showing you how you can manage your team, organize your work, and collaborate very easily. So let's get into it. First of all, what you have to do is you can simply go to coda.io and you will land on this platform right here. Coda is a project management software that allows you to take notes, to organize your team and create your own workspace. In order to get started with Coda, you simply can click on Get Started for free, and you can sign up using your Google account or your email address. So after the initial sign up, you will get to your main dashboard, and you can see this is our dashboard on Coda. Coda has different workspaces, and each workspace will have different projects for you. You can create different, templates as well, and you can do a lot more. So the first step is going to be creating your own workspace. So for that, you can see we have two workspaces created already when you create your account. So we can open up any of these. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So once you open up a workspace, now within your workspace, you can create different notes, you can create different types of, pages and more. So you can see this one already has some pages created. So for example, this is the first page, then we have keep a journal, and this is what it will look like. You can see this is a page in form. And then we have track my tasks. This is also another page where you can see a bunch of different things. You can see a board, you can see a list, and you can do this. So how to create this? I'm going to click on new page, and this is going to be a brand new page that I will create for you guys. So the first thing we need to do is add a page title. So this one, let's say, is for my video production. So I'm going to go ahead and add video production. Okay, perfect. Now we can add an icon. So for icon, I'm going to go with this one. Then we have add a cover. So if you want to add a cover for your, just for the aesthetics and for like the customization, you can do that. You can upload an image as well, or you can choose from different images available. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly do that. Okay, I think this one looks good. Then we have the layout. Now, you can actually go ahead and select if you want the left layout of this or you want the center. So I'm going to go with the center here for the page. Then we have different page options available. Now, this is where I can customize the page. Again, we have cover photo, we have edit, we have the page name. If you want to add a subtitle for your page, I'm going to do that. And I'm going to add a subtitle here. And we can add, for example, the board or the page for videos, something like that. I can add anything. We can even add the author here. We have the last edited option. We have an outline. We have line members. We have word count and more. So I'm going to go back now. We're just going to simply go to, you can see we even have notifications here, page locking, automations, and more that I will show you in a minute. So now that we can see that we have a page created, now let's get into the work. You can see this plus button that allows me to insert anything to my page. We have a list, we have grid, table, and more. We're going to be going ahead and creating a table. So just click on add and a table will be added here. So a table has been added here, and now I can give any name to my table, or I can like add different columns here. Or we can add more rows, we can add new, click on new here, and that will allow me to maybe add something new. So I'm just going to call it new. We have column 2 and column 3 here, and we can add any entry to my new section here. So you can see we can add the first one. So we can maybe call it task 1. Just for the purpose of the video, we can go for task 2, task 3. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus button again. And this time I'm going to go ahead and I will be adding a board. So I'm going to scroll down. You can see we have a bunch of different options when it comes to, adding something to our, page. So in insert option, we have the templates, and we have to-do list, we have meeting notes, we have tasks, we have timers, and more. So I'm going to go ahead and create a to-do list, or we even have tasks. So let's go with tasks here. So for tasks, now you can see it's added. And in the task, we can actually go for columns. We can go for different, views. And I'm going to click on add task and add the task name. So let's call it task 5. Click on enter and a task will be created. Now with the task, what I can do is I can add the status, and there are different statuses that we can set. So I can go with not started, in progress, done, or more. So maybe this is in progress. Then of course we can assign it to a specific person here. Even if you want to edit a task, you can do that, or you can move a task from one place to the other. So this is how we create different tasks here. I'm going to click on insert again, and again show you that we can add like a calendar, we can add team members, we can add our team vision. So with Coda, we can do a lot more. And I really like this app because we can see right here that it's very easy to use, and at the same time it gives you this visual representation of everything you are doing. So before you do it, you get a preview. We have marketing here. In marketing, I'll be able to see maybe I can add my meeting notes with AI here, and it will look something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to my page. So you can see this is what my page looks like. Now add different tasks. I can add the team members. Now you might be wondering how to add a team member. To add a team member, you can actually just simply go here, and you can see we have invite person. Click on invite person, and you can enter their name and their email address as I showed you before. So we even have the embed and publish option here. Then at the top here, you will get the insert option. Now this is also the insert option that allows you to insert any type of section to your page. So look, insert, and then it takes you back to this board where you can to this list where you can find all of these different options. So now you can see this way I can create different pages, and I can customize the page by clicking on these 3 dots. We have add a sub page, rename, hide, or delete a page. So I can maybe delete this one. If I wanted to maybe duplicate, I can duplicate from here. We can open in another tab. We can bookmark and more. Now I'm going to take you back to my old docs. So here you can see this way I will have different documents, and each document will have different pages. So if you want to create a new document or a new project, you can do that from here at the top, and you can even switch to templates. And Coda has a bunch of different templates available for you to choose from, especially for project management. Here you can see we have different templates, and you can get a preview as well before you use it. And once you check out the preview, if you like it, you can use it for your document. Then of course here we have different members and groups. So here I can invite the team members, and I can create different teams, and this way I will be able to organize and collaborate with my team better. We can also, for different documents, we can create different folders. And with the folders, we will be able to organize our workspace. So yeah, guys, this is how you will use Coda.io, which is all-in-one collaborative workspace that allows you to organize your work and to manage your team. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.